Naam, karibu mtazamaji, mie jina langu ni Nicholas Wambua, na moja kwa moja tunaanza na taarifa ya msemaji wa serikali Erick Kiraithe ambaye kwa sasa anazungumza kitoa hali ya kisiasa hapa nchini. Hebu tumsikize anasemaje kwa sasa.
Going to the UK. Well, I can only confirm that later. I have not benefited from his diary right away, but you can be very sure the country will be very well represented. Another question? The question on people, somebody congregating his friends to swear in him, to swear in the president, really does not affect Kenyans. What we should be very conscious about is that in this constitution we must respect the law, we must respect the rule of law, we must respect the rights of every Kenyan, and committing criminal offenses like blocking the roads, burning people's cars, it will be very unfortunate. The advice I would want to give to a politician is that I'm not a politician myself, but if you have a dream of asking Kenyans for votes, the issue of threatening their jobs, threatening their security. You know, anytime you are in town, there is no jam because people did not turn up for work. Threatening businesses, even the small M-Pesa operator starts feeling you are a threat. Every time you talk, you are threatening to have somebody sacked. Somebody who just innocently applied for a job. Then if you are ever dreaming to go back to ask for votes, you must look for another system, not the secret ballot. I have been a policeman, and policemen exercise a lot of authority. I can tell you it takes a lot to be elected. The minute you are seen as intimidating, especially illegally, the minute you are seen as the purveyor of violence, you have fried your own goose for yourselves. In a democracy, people cherish freedom, and they mean it in every sense of the word. Politics of threats, politics of intimidation, those were only available to military dictators. And it's unfortunate that people who think they can create a national image can even mobilize people to issue threats all the time. It won't work. I think it is the high time politicians of every shade and color started seriously telling Kenyans the fruits and the benefits of the rule of law, telling Kenyans how if today I have a shop making 500 shillings, how can I expand it so that it makes 1,000? How do you harness and improve the earning power of your electorate? It is certainly not by organizing and paying them to block the roads. That one is killing them economically. That is creating a lot of poor people, and Kenyans are getting very militant about it. That is not the way for the country to go. Yeah, I bet you are the last question.
I'm going to on the radio.
Yes.
You talked of your wish for the MCS who passed people assembly bill on the law to be surcharged. Is it you calling for the GPT to act, or what do you mean by that?
There are plenty of systems to audit performance. I'm sure Daily Nation sent you here today with a very clear message. If you decided to take a microphone and become a street preacher, it will be thoroughly immoral for you to go back and ask for the salary today. And therefore the MCAs, even within the county assembly, there are systems to ensure that those people who do not work or who use public resources, even vehicles, to go for their own public functions as charged, we are saying that such systems shall be mobilized. We are not telling any individual not to believe in anything or not to say anything, but certainly do not use public resources for causes that are way outside the Constitution.
Then you talked of unlawful meeting.
Yeah.
What's your definition of unlawful meeting?
An unlawful assembly, one of the many legal standards, is any assembly called to execute an unlawful purpose. If I invite you today so that you can help to declare me the MD of Daily Nation, you know that no law says it is unlawful, but you know it is not lawful. If you attend that meeting, it won't be an unlawful assembly. If I call a meeting, and let us make no mistake, declaring yourself the people's president does not even make you an MCA at all. It does not make you anything. It just makes you and your followers happy, period. With that, I think, Irene, you still have a question? Any other question?
Na mtazamaji